how are you? This is old model Land Cruiser. The compressor clutch was not good. We opened the compressor from down there. Now we'll repair the clutch. See this clutch is damaged. This is the compressor. We'll clean. This is the clutch which damaged. We'll change this and we'll fix. Now see, we change the pulley. We wash the compressor. Now we'll fix in the car and check. We'll fix the compressor down there. Now we are putting gas. See, it's going till 30. It means the compressor is good and now the AC is cooling. Anyone needs to repair their car AC can contact us.